Hey guys, I bet you've cracked your knuckles at least once today, haven't you? Well, I've always wondered about this weird habit we all seem to have. So, what's going on here? When you crack your knuckles, you're not actually breaking anything. The sound you hear is caused by tiny bubbles in the synovial fluid. That's the liquid that lubricates your joints. Now this is really interesting. When you pull or bend your finger, you're creating negative pressure in the joint. This causes the synovial fluid to form a bubble, and when that bubble collapses, pop! That's the crack you hear. It's kind of like opening a can of soda, but inside your fingers. But wait, there's more. You've probably heard that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis, right? Well, guess what? That's a myth. Studies have shown that there's no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis or any long-term joint damage. In fact, one doctor cracked the knuckles on just one hand for over 60 years to prove it was harmless. Talk about dedication to science. So, next time someone tells you to stop cracking your knuckles, you can tell them it's perfectly safe. Just maybe don't do it during a quiet movie, okay?